For our teddy bear, I have a 260 inflated, leaving about just over a 5-inch tail. And make the front a little bit soft. Twist off about a 3-inch bubble there. And like we did for our poodle, we're going to fold it over and give it a little squeeze to give it a bit of an L shape. Now we're going to make a bear head, so you'll make about 1.5 inch bubble, and then a small 1/2 inch bubble. Make that into a pinch twist. And you're going to make about a 1-inch bubble, another 1/2 inch bubble, and then make that one into a pinch twist as well. And then we need one more bubble, the same size as this one here. So to lay it alongside it, measure it, twist it, and then we're going to twist this whole piece around. Now we're going to take our nose here and take the nozzle in, poke it right through the middle so it's sticking out on the other side. And there's our bear's face. And now we're going to make 2 fold twists, about a 4-inch, well, probably a little less, about a 3.5 inch bubble, and just fold it all together so that you get one fold. Now we're going to make another one, approximately the same size. That makes his front arms. Now we'll make him a little body. And we're going to repeat the process, 2 more of those fold twists, kind of squeezing the air as you go. So make another fold twist. 1 more, and what's left over, squeeze the air to the end if you can. That will be his little stumpy tail. Bears don't have a long tail. This one's being a little ornery. Let's put a twist there to hold it for a second. Put the tail back in the back. And you've got a little teddy bear sitting up just like that.